More word problems, growth and decay. 54 is very similar to the previous. It involves all of this. Put it to the side. Sorry, it's not best, but it's best I could do with the space. So let's see. I need to make an equation. Y equals my starting amount. Had a population of this, 20,000. Growth rate of 4.1. So, okay, R equals 4.1%. Converted, move the decimal spot, 1, 2.0 placeholder, and then 4.1, which means my base is going to be 1. Is it plus or minus? Well, plus 0.041. So 1.041 raised some time. Okay, so this one is a tad bit tricky because you're not going to plug in 2003, even though that is the most relevant time. What we need to figure out is comparing the beginning to the end, how much time went by. Well, from 1995 to 2003, 8 years went by. Right? You could take the numbers and just subtract them. So take these, this combined with this becomes 8. All right, and then it's a calculator problem. And I get 27582. 2758, and then we're gonna, this is people, so we're not gonna have a decimal of people. So this 2 is gonna go up because it's larger than 5. So 83 people. All right. Now this one, we're gonna give you the equation for this one. This is your A P R over N NT. So reminders about that. P is your start. R is your rate, like usual. T is your time, like usual. Making sure it matches your rate units, which is usually going to be years. And then N could be 1, 2, 4, 12, 3, 6, 5. And hopefully that makes sense. Annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, daily. I'm not going to write that out, but I encourage you to do so if that is helpful to you. Now this type of problem, it's a common problem, the first set of instructions applies to everything else. So I have a P of 1,000. I have a T of 12 years. And it looks like my R changes and my N changes. I know this is N because it says the word compounded blank. Compounded blank. Compounded blank. That means these are my N's, and obviously R's are pretty clear there. So I'm going to express my R as a decimal. My strategy when I do these is to do one thing at a time. Identify the R's for all of them, so I'm in the same mind space. I have the same strategy to find all of them. Just move the decimal 2 times to the left. And then N monthly, 12. N daily, 365. N semi-annually, 2. So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to plug in the equation. Pause now and see if you could do it. These are my answers. I highlighted something for you so you could track where I got the numbers for the first one. Equations are listed. Answers are there. Pause now, and then I'll go to the calculator. This is what my calculator looks like for all those answers. You can see how I plugged it in, what my answer is, and how I rounded.